Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. All we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is right now highlighted. We can also see it inside the shutter button. So now simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, we've got it. Of course, we can turn it off whenever we want to. Just tap on the 3 bars icon again and tap on off. And right now we will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.